Alright, we got 3 transmissions we're looking at today. So we got a 1938 through 45 transmission. Then we have a, what is this, a 65 panhead tranny?
FL.
FL? Sure it's not an EL?
I'm pretty sure.
No EL. Is FLH, that's the difference.
There you go.
Is it FLH or FL? That's the difference. And then this one here is a UL transmission, which 38 UL, which people these days would call a knucklehead, so you can get more money for it. Same thing. So this one has a lot of rust in it. Yeah, too much noise, I can't hold it up. It does a lot of grinding noise when you turn it.
Can you hold it?
No, it's just all the stuff rubbing on it. I can't do everything with one hand. So, anyway, this one here we're just looking over, trying to figure out exactly what year it is. I don't remember what year this lever is with a hook on it. The case is 38, so we know it's at least 38. If you go by the geniuses on eBay, a K9 would be a 39, but I ain't going for that yet. So, we know this is a 441 and later. We know this is for a 40 and later. And this is the correct one for it. Excuse me. So it's a 16 tooth, so it's small, which is early. So this is 37 through 40, looks like this training. It's a 2-bolt transmission, so we got 2 bolts on it instead of the 3rd one over here. So there you go. That's what an old 45 tranny looks like. So that comes off, and you got the main shaft here. You got 2 keys in it. One over here and one over there. Got the light on? Yeah, light's on. So, see, that was on there to hold that on there. That's what that was all about. So I'm not sure what year this is, because some of these years they have little teeth sticking out on the side. And this lever's a little different than normal, so not exactly sure. But we know it's not an auto reverse tranny because you can see the gear over there for reverse gear there, but there's no gear down in there. Behind it down low. So reverse gear would have an idler gear that comes off of here, and then it would be a gear on the main shaft, which is missing. The cluster gears are all machined for it. Alright, so that's what the 30s 45 tranny looks like. Now everybody's going to be drooling wanting to buy it. That'll be on eBay in what, in a couple weeks?
Maybe a week, 2
Maybe
weeks.
a week, 2 weeks to be on eBay?
Yeah, probably 2 weeks.
Now the last one I saw on eBay sold for about 1,500 bucks. So who knows what you're gonna get for it? Here's what it is. Okay, this is a 65 train. You can get more money for this one. Well, maybe not. Actually, you probably get more for that one. But these are good for 1,000 bucks, though.
They have one for sale.
Yeah, you can probably get 1,500 on now these days. So what's these extra letters over here?
Oh, the frame's got extra numbers on it too.
Oh, someone's been adding
There's a
numbers.
police spike, so.
See, that's the normal number, and that's been added. So your neutral switch is gone. So what are we in here with this one for?
Just a look, check it out.
This has got the got the weird gear on it. This is the 16 tooth instead of the 18 tooth kicker gear. So you push that in and you rotate it. And see how it doesn't really move too much? That means that's still good. Still got teeth on it, so that's good. Ratchet works good. So that part's all good. The bumper is almost like new in there. That's weird. That's rare. That's good. Case doesn't look broken. Someone wants me. I don't know why they want me for. Hello. Hello. Just working away here. I got those brake pads in for you. Okay. Front and rear, they're all the same. But I got 2 settings here for you. Okay? Alright. Bye. Interruptions, special order parts. So what do you got going on through here?
Oh, wasn't tripped over the crack on it.
Yeah, it really looks like a crack, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's casting. Casting work.
Yeah, it don't look pretty deep.
Yeah. I've had ones that look like capacity marks that look like that.
You know, pop the top off.
Does it come off?
Just to screw that.
Is it tight or has it already been off?
They're not tight, no. They're just sitting there.
Just sitting there? Mm-hmm. Okay, we'll be right back. Take the lid off.